All right, now that we have all the electrical and hydro done, we're going to go ahead and button up the last few items that we need to do. So, got rear flaps, front flaps, fuel filler neck, depth filler, body up switch, a couple other small little things. So we're going to button all that up before we drop a bed on. I like to keep everything on the subframe, down low, so you're not smashing your nugget off of the stupid hard front flap. And yeah, that's just annoying. Anyway, let's get going. Oh, I actually lied to y'all. When I said electrical done, I meant the mechanical electrical for the PTO and whatnot. I still have the bed electrical, all the lights and whatnot. So we're going to go ahead and start with the junction box, get all that wired in, and then we're going to do all the front flaps and stuff. So yeah, now here we go. Here's one reason I love doing the Fords. They have a plug and play harness from Duramag, I believe, that makes trailer wiring stupid easy. So you just pop these bad chickens out, give them a chuck, and then plug and play. Yeah, 35 seconds later, we have it already wired in. Yay! All right, so we got trailer plug mounted, we got the camera mounted, backup alarm, and our junction block ready to go for when the bed drops in. So yeah, let's do the other stuff. All right, front flaps done, rear flaps done, just got a filler neck and a duff neck. Let's do that now. All right, I went ahead and got my spreader lights on, got the mud flaps on, I got my my anti-sail bracket so it keeps it out of the exhaust, and the filler neck. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop a bed on this because everybody's deciding to leave early today, and I want the bed on today. So I'm gonna drop it on now, and I'll finish up the rest of the little things. So stand by. All right, bed is on. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here because I'm running a little low on time. And I'll pick up the next one doing the wiring and the other miscellaneous items, the strobes and stuff like that on the bed. So, yeah, done for now.